Hello folks and welcome to my channel where we jump into the internet to find out what is currently trending. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like and comment. This Maasai people had the opportunity to try pizza for the first time. Their comment is great.
No. We was heard about the pizza. It's good. It's like cow blood.
There's a TikTok account where a person throws stuff into a shredder. Haters will say it's CGI. That man grabbed a high-voltage electric cable. He's a professional. Please don't do this.
Open your hand up and you pull it a couple inches away.
These guys decided to overinflate basketball.
Oh no, no.
It.
Oh!
This is the worst they could get out of this hole. This cat has learned and loves to backflip.
Come here. Hi. It's a little flip.
This guy lifted weights at the gym and didn't expect such a funny comment from the owner.
Where the fuck did this kid come from? He's a goddamn baseball and just ripped 400 pounds off the floor.
It's nothing. Cheese. I love it.
In case you haven't seen sharks eat whales.
No, it doesn't. Dude, its eyes are rolling back in its head. It's like
They do. That's a really good shot to get the nicotinating membrane. Don't worry about the camera. Look at that.
That boy is definitely having a good time in a snow. These people made a huge hot tub in the mountains. There was even a cook at their disposal. I hope you had fun. Subscribe, leave a like and comment. See you next time.